Let's continue AWS IAM. In this AWS IAM, we start discussing what is IAM group and how to create IAM group and how to add users to IAM group and how to assign policies to group team. Let me explain. Let's say this is my AWS cloud. This is my AWS cloud. Okay, here I have 200 plus services. 200 plus services. Okay, there is a service called IAM. Using IAM, let's say I created users. I created users. Let's say I created users, user 1 to user 1 to user n. I created different users. Next one. Next one. My requirement is let's say there are 10 users working as data engineers, 10 users working as data engineers for X project, and two users, two users working as testers, two users working as testers, and one user working as admin, one user working as admin. So here, let's say for X clients, for X client, for these people, I want to give S3, I want to give Redshift, I want to give Glue, I want to give Lab, I want to give multiple services access to. Similar way, for this person, for these two users, I want to give different services access. For this user, I want to give different access and different policies. Instead of individually assigning policies. 10 times you have to assign policies to each user. 10 times. 2 times you have to assign same policies to two different users. But admin, okay. But if we add new admin, again we have to assign same policies to new admin also. Yes or no? Instead of doing same policy assigned to two different users multiple times, you can create a group. In AWS IAM, we have a concept called groups. Groups. In this, we can create a group like dev group. Then we can attach all these 10 users to dev group. Then create another group test, and we can attach all testers working for X client to this group. Then you can create another group called admin. Another group called admin. Then you can attach this admin users to this group. Later, policies. Policies. Let's say, let's say S3 policy. You can assign S3 policy, Redshift policy, and Blue policy, Lambda policy, Athena policy to this group. Then all these 10 users gets automatically all these policies attached to their users. You no need manually performing attach to each individual level. You can attach users to group. Whatever policies assigned to group reflect to all users. Okay. Let's say practically how we can implement. So go to AWS Cloud, then go to groups, user groups, then create a group. Group name I'm creating is developers underscore x client. Then here I am attaching policy S3 full access and Redshift full access, and I am attaching Lambda full access. Sorry, Lambda. Let's say AWS Lambda full access. Then glue glue. Let's say glue console full access, and then finally I'm just create users group. Go to developers group, and we attached these permissions. Let's go to users list. Currently there are no users. Click on add users, select the users. How many users you want to add? You can just add users. That's it. Then all these users gets the policies we attached to group. Clear, right? What is group? How to create a group? How to attach policies to group? How to attach users to group? Okay.